Chat widget forms allow you to collect customer information before moving on with the conversation. However, incomplete submissions can throw a wrench in your plans. With this update, you can avoid those issues and ensure all needed fields are filled before starting or continuing a conversation. Let's check how it works. The name, phone, and email fields are always marked as required to help you avoid confusion. Whenever a visitor starts a conversation or an agent requests contact details from the conversation panel, they are required to fill in all fields marked as mandatory before proceeding. Even though the chat widget creation process doesn't change much, this new feature is extremely useful, so let's learn how to use it. Head to the Chat Widget tab in the Sites section and edit or create a widget. Switch to the Chat Window tab and add fields to the Contact Form Options section. Check the box next to the fields you want to make mandatory. Finally, click Save in the top right corner. This update easily prevents incomplete submissions, where users skip important fields, helping you ensure workflows, automations, and routing logic always receive the required data. We hope you enjoy it.